Nearly 8 out of 10 people in Switzerland have supplementary insurance. Monika wonders why this is the case. Is basic insurance not enough? Sure, basic insurance covers essential medical care, but our lives are unique, and this is where supplementary insurance plans come in. Monika, for example, wears glasses and goes to the gym regularly. She also focuses on preventative care to stay fit and healthy. And when it comes to back pain, she swears by osteopathy. All of these are personal needs. They go beyond basic care. Vital supplementary outpatient insurance from Sanitas is the perfect complement to basic insurance. For example, it helps cover the cost of vision aids, fitness center memberships, preventative checkups, or alternative medicine. Monika also loves to travel, but medical emergencies abroad can quickly get expensive. But there's no need to worry. The Hospital Liberty, Vital, or Easy supplementary insurance plans cover high costs incurred abroad, and in an emergency, return transportation can be arranged quickly and reliably. And if the dentist suddenly recommends having your wisdom teeth removed, treatments like this can quickly get expensive. Fortunately, the dental insurance plan protects Monika from unpleasant financial surprises. In short, the best supplementary insurance plans are the ones that suit you, your everyday life, your needs, and your budget. That's why it's worth assessing your own needs early on. It's best to do so while you're still fit and healthy. To find out which supplementary insurance is right for you, go to sanitas.com/supplementary-insurance.